everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel, Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button as well as give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it, as well as do not forget to hit that notification bell as we do have a ton of upcoming heat that I don't want you guys to miss. And feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you guys may have after this review and unboxing is done, as well as do not forget to hit on that join button as we are looking to add to our Shade community, and we would love to have each and every one of you. And as always, check out that new merch as we do have each day new items uploading, so I don't want you guys to miss out on that. As you guessed, thank God for my handy dandy alarm clock to wake me up right at midnight, Cinderella or something, right? But today has been a long day, guys. I've shot maybe 7 videos or something, so I just need to take a quick little power nap, and voila! What better than to unbox the Midnight Navies at midnight, right? So if you guys are not familiar with this beautiful, beautiful shoe, this is the Air Jordan 1 OG Co-Japan Midnight Navies, and let me tell you, this is a beautiful, beautiful shoe that was inspired, of course, by the OG release that dropped almost 20 years ago, which is pretty insane. Actually, there's tissue paper in here that I'll show you guys in a second, but it actually has 2001 and 2020 on it for the OG release, as well as the new release of the Midnight Navies, which is pretty cool. And this shoe is just a very simplistic shoe, but there's some great detailing to it, and there's some great co-branding with the insole as well as the stitch tag on the inside that have the 2001, 2020 on the inside there. We've got that beautiful, just tumbled leather that you can see on the front of that tongue, and just that crisp white with the nice embroidered navy, midnight navy, and that Nike Air. Then we've got that CO. Wow, I've already worn this out, guys. My goodness. Sometimes you get insoles, and whenever there's print with Nike, I found one wear and it's like gone, like straight up. Wore these for a few hours, and my insoles, unfortunately, I don't know if you can see that in there, but the CO is missing. It just says O.JP, but rest assured that was a CO before I walked in them today, and that is in the navy for the insole with white as well. And then we have these beautiful just metallic silver accents on the swoosh. These are high quality laces as well that they came with. I actually stopped by a store today to check out the little kids, toddlers and infant sizes that dropped, and the kids are just getting gypped. The laces are not as high quality as the adults, as well as the wings here. This is like encompassed in a bubble, and on the kids it's just a flat lay silver wing on the side, so definitely a plus for the adult sizing there. Baby version, no bubble. No bubble. You're really losing out as a child. You really are. Same pen though. No logo on the back. Pretty simple in the front. Ooh, laces are cheaper too. Not the same lace. And then we've got just this beautiful, simple white midsole with a midnight navy outsole. And again, that's just beautiful metallic swoosh on the medial side of the shoe. And this is just very high quality tumbled leather. I always talk about this with Air Jordan 1s, but it always, you know, changes with the silhouette and colorway that you're getting, in a sense of like how great the tumbled leather is. And this is just really high grade tumbled leather. You can feel it on the tongue, you can feel it on the toe box. as well as the medial and lateral side of the shoe as well. It's very, very broken in, makes it a lot comfier when you're breaking these shoes in. And the tongue is very thin, which is one of the other things that I love about this shoe. It's a very thin tongue. And the shape of the back of this, it kind of starts high and then adds to kind of a lower point here, which made it really easy for me to get in and out of these shoes. Sometimes I struggle with my Air Jordan 1s getting my foot in there, but these ones, it just slides right in.
Oh, giggity, 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 giggity.
We've got some nice metallic going here on this collar in that kind of shiny metallic-y blue coloring scheme. Other than that, I'm just pretty stoked about this shoe with the metallic threading that we've got, just subtle details here, but this is just a beautiful shoe that I think is going to go well with a lot of different items. You'll definitely see that in the styling section, how I styled these, but overall I do love that they brought back the shoe that came out 20 years ago. Other than that, I think this is just a beautiful, simplified shoe, and I think I'm still kind of, you know, hurt over not getting the Obsidians when I just kind of took a breather on them, and this is kind of my filler point here. This will take the place of the Obsidians for the time being. Pretty happy with this colorway to add to my Air Jordan 1 High collection though. Alright, so let's talk about sizing. I didn't switch up the sizing at all. Typically in Air Jordan 1s, I am a 7.5, so I would say stick true to size. Again, narrow, high arch feet. So depending on your foot shape size, your foot shape will be dependent upon what size will work for you. Again, 7.5 translates to a woman's size 9 for the ladies out there, so you know what size to get. All right, so now let's jump into styling, talk about how I was able to style these shoes. I don't know what it is about Tokyo in general, just I need to go there at some point in my life because I just have a feeling I'm going to be in love with all the style out there. I've heard it's so fashion forward, so trendy, and I'm just going to have to make that happen one day as soon as COVID is, you know, done and through and we can finally get on a plane and travel somewhere. That's probably going to be on my top spots to travel to. All right, so let's talk about the first look. I wore just a simple black dress and I topped that off with a nice just gaudy trench in this brown plaid. I don't know what it is with navy, but I love pairing navies with kind of brown earthy tones, and obviously we're getting into that fall winter season, so it's starting to get really cold here in New York. I was lucky today, it was 60 degrees, not too freezing. So I was able to wear something that showed some skin.
Go on.
I know. And I wasn't actually feeling like death or like I was going to get hypothermia and die. So that was nice to be able to do a styling section in a, you know, really just acclimated, comfortable temperature.
Oh, you have your way, and it's making me weaken. You and your status, walking like that. It's really getting too much, but I can't pull back. Though I try to resist, I can't fight this. And no one makes me feel like you do. And no one sets my body on fire. And no one gives me shivers like you. Oh, no one.
So for my next look, I decided to go with a plaid oversized jacket, a top, a simple just cream tank top with some Fear of God sweatpants in a more beigey brown colorway. I am obsessed with just being comfortable right now, and I'm living the dream in my sweats. Let me tell you, anytime I have an opportunity to just be comfortable, that's kind of the style I'm rocking with this season for the fall. And I just think that these just earthy tones really went well with the blues and the silvers in this specific colorway.
How I try to sleep, but you're deep in my mind. Got a hold of me. When I'm awake, I'm all blind. You and your magic, like infinite power. God knows I try to resist, but you're pulling me closer. Oh, I gotta stay away, but you won't let me. No one
last but not least, I wore a cream shirt underneath a beige blazer with some denim. I, am really just kind of loving sweaters with blazers right now, and I think it's just a super trendy style for the fall. And of course, just denim goes well with these in general. I love this colorway because it is one of those colorways where I feel like it's just easy to match with pretty much anything you want to rock it with. And so
just stay the same, baby, you want it in place, yeah. I was hoping you send a text. I wish you would listen to the thing in your chest. I got wrapped up in your mess. Don't get too close, I got ice in my veins, yeah. Running through them words in my head. Where did you go? How come you up and left? Talking all the shit to your friends. Waking up cold, got no one to impress. I said bye, 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 bye to all your bad vibes. All your wild eyes, put them to the side, yeah. Hold on, it'll be alright. Running, you are all I need.
all of these looks are definitely fall in color scheme, and so with those earthy brown tones I brought out in each look, I think it just paired so well with the navy, silver, and white tones in this shoe. So let me know out of the 3 looks, you guys, what was your favorite, or how would you style these shoes? Changing on the street. This is how it's done, guys. Make it so no one sees anything. It's a surprise. You think it's just panties under here, but oh wait.
Go on. Oh, giggity.
All right, now let's conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. The Midnight Navies retailed for $170, and currently a size 7 and below is going between $300 and $370, and a 7.5 and up is currently going for $240 to $270. So not so bad if you're, I guess, in a larger size. The smaller base sizes are doing a bit better, but of course, as to be expected, this is a great colorway. So definitely think a lot of people maybe slept on this one or didn't really know about it, but I definitely think this is a great colorway that we haven't seen in 20 years. So thanks, Nike, for bringing it back for us. All right, you guys, thank you so much again for tuning into my channel and watching this unboxing and review. Again, if you're new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Whew, I'm about to go to bed soon, but I hope that you guys, while I'm sleeping, are hitting that notification bell, leaving me comments and messages below, as well as do not forget to hit that join so that you can become a part of the Shade Gang. We would love to have you. And as always, don't forget to hit up that new merch that we have uploaded down below. Until next time, you guys,